In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove staff in Microsoft Bookings. This is really useful when someone leaves your organization, changes roles, or simply no longer needs to appear as an option for your customers when they book an appointment. Before we start, make sure you're already signed into Microsoft Bookings and that you have the right permissions to manage staff. Usually that means you're an admin or you've been given access to manage that particular booking calendar. If you don't see the options we're about to use, you may need to check with your administrator. Once you're in Microsoft Bookings, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with different sections like calendar, booking page, and so on. In that left sidebar, click on the option labeled Staff. This is where Microsoft Bookings keeps the list of everyone who can be assigned to services or appointments. When the staff page opens, you'll see a list of all the people who have been added as staff members to this booking calendar. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the person you want to remove. It's important to choose carefully here because deleting a staff member will prevent them from being assigned to future bookings through this calendar. Once you've located the correct person in the list, move your mouse over their name. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over the name. When you do this, you'll notice that two small icons appear to the right of their name. One icon looks like a pencil, which is used for editing their details, and the other looks like a trash can, which is used for deleting them. We're focusing on removing the staff member completely, so look for that trash can icon. Take a moment to confirm that you're hovering over the right person, especially if you have several staff with similar names. This helps you avoid accidentally removing the wrong person. Now, click the trash can or delete icon. When you click it, Microsoft Bookings may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this staff member. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental removals. Read the message carefully, and if you're sure you've selected the right person, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the staff member will be removed from the staff list for this booking calendar. That means customers will no longer see this person as an option when they book an appointment, and you won't be able to assign new bookings to them through this calendar. Any existing bookings that were already assigned to them may need to be updated manually, depending on how your organization handles schedule changes. So it's a good idea to review upcoming appointments if necessary. To double check that everything worked, you can look through the staff list again and confirm that the person's name no longer appears. If you still see them, try refreshing the page, and if they remain, you might not have permission to fully remove them and may need assistance from an admin. That's all there is to it. By using the Staff tab in the left sidebar, finding the person you want to remove, hovering over their name, and clicking the trash can icon, you can quickly clean up your Microsoft Bookings staff list and keep it accurate and up to date.